fashionistas have found a new chic and dressier style of loungewear that they are also taking out to dinner and running errands. That is, kaftans. Kaftans look elegant and chic while offering comfort at the same time. No wonder they were a trend to emerge out of quarantine. Kaftans have made a swift transition from being a poolside swimsuit cover-up and beach essential to a work-from-home essential. Kaftans are also versatile and can be styled per occasion. For an everyday look, wear it with strappy sandals or sneakers and add a pair of glam earrings and heels when you're going for a dinner party. Don't forget to cinch it around the waist to add some curves and definition to your look so it doesn't look like you're drowning in fabric. Here's a look at how Bollywood is wearing kaftans. AKARISHMA TANNA wore her kaftan dress as a kurta with palazzo pants. Her look was completed with ethnic juttis and a pair of statement earrings by Ritika Sachdeva. This styling hack used by Karishma goes to prove how versatile the kaftan is. While kaftans are often known to be of maxi length, MALAIKA twisted it with a kaftan dress. She styled her kaftan-style dress with chunky trainers and a sling bag. The kaftan was gathered around the waist and gave more structure and definition to the look. Actress Neha Dhupia shared a picture of herself in a sexy kaftan dress that featured a pleat detail around the waist and a blue hem that created a color block effect against the mustard kaftan. The kaftan stood out as it even featured a sexy leg slit. Even our Gen Z actresses are rocking this style. Recently, Tara Sutaria was spotted in a comfortable breezy kaftan by Arpita Mehta. Her grey kaftan had a beautiful minimal print. Tara's choice of accessory with the look was a silver sling bag from Christian Louboutin. So for your next casual outing with friends, give the comfortable and elegant kaftan style a go.